Chief Executive Elon Musk blamed over-reliance on factory robots for sending the electric car maker to production hell 4 years ago, saying humans were better at certain jobs. My, how times have changed. Musk's Texas company now is floating ambitious plans to deploy thousands of humanoid robots known as TeslaBot or Optimus within its factories, expanding eventually to millions around the world. Worth more than Tesla's car business. Longer term, Musk said at a TED Talk, robots could be used in homes, making dinner, mowing the lawn, and caring for the elderly people, and even becoming a buddy or a cat-girl intimacy partner. The robot business eventually may be worth more than Tesla's car revenue, according to Musk, who is now touting a vision for the company that goes well beyond making self-driving electric vehicles. At its AI Day on September 30, Tesla will unveil a prototype for its Project Optimus, an allusion to the powerful and benevolent leader of the Autobots in the Transformers series. Production could start next year, Musk said. Tesla faces skepticism that it can show technological advances that would justify the expense of general-purpose robots in factories, homes, and elsewhere, according to robotics experts, investors, and analysts. Tesla already employs hundreds of robots designed for specific jobs for production of its cars. Humanoid robots have been in development for decades by Honda and Hyundai Motors' Boston Dynamics unit. Like self-driving cars, the robots have trouble with unpredictable situations. Self-driving cars weren't really proved to be as easy as anyone thought. And it's the same way with humanoid robots to some extent, the lead of NASA's dexterous robotics team, Sean Azimi, told media. If something unexpected happens, being flexible and robust to handle those kinds of changes is very difficult. At an autonomy event in 2019, Musk promised 1 million robotaxis by 2020, but has yet to deliver such a car. More basic robots? Musk's robots may be able to demonstrate basic capabilities at the event, but it would be hard for them to impress public expectations of robots that are as capable as humans, experts say. To succeed, Tesla will need to show robots doing multiple, unscripted actions, said Nancy Cook, a professor in human systems engineering at Arizona State University. Such proof could provide a boost to Tesla stock, which is down 25% from its 2021 peak. If he just gets the robot to walk around, or he gets the robot to dance, that's already been done. That's not that impressive, she said. But Musk has in the past proved skeptics wrong, jump-starting the electric car market and building a rocket company, SpaceX, although some product launches have been behind schedule. What will Optimus look like and do? The adult-sized robot is set to be about 173 centimeters tall and weigh about 57 kilograms. It will be programmed to do various monotonous jobs, such as assembling car parts, moving components around factories, and picking up groceries. Optimus will one day have the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time, Mr. Musk has said. It will be controlled by the same artificial intelligence systems that Tesla is developing for use in its electric vehicles. In the future, physical work will be a choice, Mr. Musk said. Tesla is arguably the world's biggest robotics company. Our cars are basically semi-sentient robots on wheels. Unlike in a host of movies, Mr. Musk says the robot will be friendly and is being built by humans for humans. At a mechanical level, you can run away from it, and most likely overpower it, he said. Technical imagery of the Optimus robot shows it with a screen for useful information within the head area. It will be made of lightweight materials, contain 40 electromechanical actuators, and have human-level hands. A potential price or an indication of how many will be produced has yet to be given. In-house expertise. Initially, Optimus will perform boring or dangerous jobs, including moving parts around its factories, according to Musk. Musk acknowledged that humanoid robots do not have enough intelligence to navigate the real world without being explicitly instructed. But he said Tesla can leverage its expertise in AI and key components to develop and produce smart, yet less expensive humanoid robots at scale. He tweeted saying that its autopilot team is also working on its Optimus robot, when asked about fixes of what it calls full self-driving beta, a test version of its new automated driving software. Tesla is on a hiring spree for people to work on humanoid bipedal robots, with about 20 job postings on TeslaBot, including jobs for designing key robot parts like actuators. The code you will write will, at term, run in millions of humanoid robots across the world, and will therefore be held to high-quality standards, one of the job postings said. Tesla has over 2 million vehicles on the road. Jonathan Hurst, Chief Technology Officer at Agility Robotics, a humanoid robotic firm founded in 2015, said the technology is right now starting to turn the corner. Certainly, an important measure of success is do they make money from it, he told media, referring to Tesla's humanoid robot efforts. Human help? Analysts see more pageant than product. It's all part of distracting people and giving them the next shiny object to chase after, Guidehouse Insights analyst Sam Abwel-Samid said. Investors are not excited about Optimus, said Gene Munster, managing partner at venture capital firm Loop Ventures, which holds Tesla stocks. It's just such a low probability that it works at scale, he said, saying it is infinitely harder than self-driving cars. And then there is Musk's own experience with robots in the factory. During the 2018 production hell, Musk specifically noted the problems of the Fluffbot, an assembly robot that failed to perform simple tasks that human hands can do, picking up pieces of fluff and placing them on batteries. He said the cost of having technicians maintain the complicated robot far exceeded that of hiring someone to do the assembly. The Fluffbot is a funny example, but drives home the point that autonomy often doesn't generalize well, and so handling soft, fluffy material that isn't as predictable as a rigid part was causing a huge problem, Aaron Johnson, a mechanical engineering professor at Carnegie Mellon University, said. Human hands are way better at doing that, Musk said. Musk's warnings against AI. Back in 2017, despite his own efforts to further the use of technology, such as AI and robots, Mr. Musk sounded a stern warning. I have access to the very most cutting-edge AI, and I think people should be really concerned about it, he said. Mr. Musk went on to say it is the biggest risk we face as a civilization. AI is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization, in a way that car accidents, airplane crashes, faulty drugs, or bad food were not, he said. What else does Tesla have in the pipeline? The company is also working on a vehicle known as the Robotaxi, which is set to be unveiled in the next 2 years, with production expected to begin in 2024. It is going to be highly optimized for autonomy, meaning it will not have a steering wheel or pedals, said Mr. Musk. There are a number of other innovations around it that I think are quite exciting, but it is fundamentally optimized to achieve the lowest fully considered cost per mile or kilometer when counting everything. Then there is the Cybertruck, a futuristic, angular, armored-looking vehicle that is scheduled to enter production next year, bringing an end to a nearly 3-year wait for early pre-production order holders. The Tesla Semi, a battery-powered lorry, was unveiled in 2017 and is due to go into production next year. Reservations can be made on the company website. That's all for this video, folks. See you another time.